class onward, we will be going with our self programming. Okay, but just before going to the self programming, let me introduce you with the shell in Linux. Okay, those who are joining the class from the very beginning, they might have know that in the when we learn about the architecture of this Linux operating system or Unix operating system, you will find something like this. Okay, first of all, we will have the hardware. Okay, and on top of this hardware, we have the kernel, and on top of the kernel, we have the shell. Okay, shell and shell, then the users and the utilities and all. Okay, so you can tell what shells are the way through which the user can provide instruction to the kernel. Okay, so that your hardware is going to be managed or manipulated. Okay, so in the shell, either we can put standalone command like pwd, okay, cd, ls and all. Okay, or we can make a bunch of command. Okay, then and in this case this is called what, the script. Okay, now from your C programming, you might have known that suppose you want to print a number. Okay, so what will write, include stdio.h, likewise void main, clear screen, print f, scan f, get ch. Okay, so these all are the individual command. Okay, now if you combine all this command into a single unit, then this is called what, the script. So see, whenever you go to your ATM and press the withdrawal button, right? After inserting all your credential properly, you will get your money in your hand, right? So when you press the withdrawal or call button in your mobile phone, some code behind the scene is run. Okay, and these codes are nothing but some script. That means the combination of some programming or the command statement. Okay, so this is called a script. Now it's up to you. If you're writing the script using Unix in shell, then this is called what, the shell script. If you're writing the script from the web programming, then this is called what, the web script. If you're writing the script using PHP, then it's called what, the PHP script. Script means what, the collection of some programming blocks or some commands. Okay, now based on the things where you are developing this script are termed as shell script, Unix script, okay, C programming script, VB script, JavaScript, something like this. Okay, now just before going to the scripting, let us do some revision regarding the shell. Okay, can anyone tell me how many shell are there in Linux generally? Okay, there may be any number of shell. It's based on the distribution or the developer, as Linux is free and it can be developed by anyone, contribute by anyone, so there is no limitation. Okay, still we have some standard numbers. Can someone tell what are the different cells we have, the most common? Are you listening all? Am I audible to every one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can someone tell me what are the most common cell found in Linux or Unix? Okay, see, we have discussed regarding this. Now, please,
Bash shell.
yeah, yeah. So these all are cell. Okay, bash cell, K cell, T cell, and the Z cell. Okay, so these all are the cell. Okay, please remember this one. Yeah, someone is waiting. Let me in him. Then we'll start. See, in Unix, the shell is a program. Always remember, it's a program that interprets command and acts as an intermediary, okay, or intermediary between the user and the inner working of the operating system. Okay, suppose I'm a user. If I want to give some instruction to the hardware, or in that case I cannot instruct the hardware. Okay, if I tell printer, please, hey printer, please make a printout, he will not do. Okay, you'll have to give him some definite standard instruction. Okay, and to give the instruction, we take the help of our operating system. Okay, core, this is called what, the kernel. Okay, now to give the instruction to the kernel, we use the shell script or the shell, or you can tell what the terminal. Okay, suppose if you want to see the current working directory, okay, you know these things in the shell or the terminal, we have to put the pwd. Okay, so this one, so the black window we have seen whenever we are going to execute all the command, this is the shell. Okay, for example, if you go to the Ubuntu, I'll show you. See, this is the Ubuntu terminal. Okay, so now right now we are working at the shell of this Ubuntu operating system. Okay, this one. Later we'll do some practical. So what we have learned in Unix, the shell is a program that interprets commands and acts as an intermediary between the user and the inner working of the operating system. Okay, providing a command line interface. Okay, this interface is command line. Okay, see, if you make the full screen, you will never see okay any type of graphics. Okay, if you seen this desktop, okay, you can see there are lots of graphical items are there, this taskbar, okay, these panels, icons, desktops and all. Okay, but whenever you go to the Ubuntu terminal, you will never find any this type of things. So, okay, you see when you do not have any menu to be clicked. Okay, so all the tasks you will have to execute with the help of some commands. Okay, that's why it is called as what, this one, providing command line interface, CLI. That is the shell prompt or command prompt. Okay, what is prompt? This one, this dollar. Okay, I have already told you that whenever you open the terminal, if you find the dollar symbol, that means you are at the bash shell prompt. Okay, that this prompt can be seen in case of your MS DOS also. Okay, if you are going to the Windows, okay, if you type here cmd, okay, if you put there, then we'll find this prompt. This is again your what the CLI environment or the CLI interface to provide the instruction. Okay, see, in case of Windows, you'll find the angle prompt. Okay, you have to type some command there. Okay, so there are different, suppose dir, you will find something there. Okay, so these all are a command. Using those command, you are going to execute the task. Okay, so if you are in the desktop, okay, suppose I want to create one folder. How to do? Right click, new folder, then you will put the name. Okay, but in case of Windows, if you want to put the create one folder using the command prompt, then you have to type something like this, mkdirfolder folder 1, then enter, your folder will be created. Okay, so this is the way how you are working using CLI or the GUI. Okay, so shell or the terminals are only based on the command line interface of with some definite prompt. Okay, by looking at the prompt, you will have to know currently you are in which shell. Okay, later on we'll learn, okay, what is the default prompt for everyone. Okay, for bash shell something different, for C shell something different, for corn shell this is something different. Okay, and for MS DOS this is the angle. If you come to the PowerShell or MS DOS based on Windows, you will always find the angle. Okay, see, the shell is analogous to MS DOS. Okay, see, this is MS DOS and this is our bash shell. There is no difference. This is also only one difference is that this is written as green and this is not written as green and white. So actually this is not a difference, and I'm just telling you, so that means there is no difference, only prompt is different and you will have to put command here also and there also. Okay, yeah, analogous to MS DOS or simply DOS. DOS stands for, anyone know what does this DOS stands for? MS DOS stands for, you can type your answer in the chat box. Yeah, 5 cell, something good. Yeah. Someone tell what is the full form of DOS? This is Microsoft Disk Operating System. Okay, DOS. And serve as purpose similar to the graphical like Windows, Mac on X Windows system. Okay, see this X, I think these two we are known. Okay, Windows you know, Mac you know. Now what is X window? X window is the graphical environment find in Linux. ओके, लिनक्स में सब अलग अलग से आता है मॉड्यूल, ठीक है। देखो लिनक्स में टर्मिनल के लिए तुम्हारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, डिफरेंट सेल्स, ओके। एंड फॉर ग्राफिक्स जनरली वी हैव द एक्स विंडो विथ अस, okay. So all these graphics, that means whatever task you can perform using this graphic, the same task can be performed using the CLI. Okay, this is, so up to this point anyone have any doubt what is cell and how it works? Any doubt anyone up to this point? What is cell and how it works? Please say yes, no. Okay, no doubt. Yeah. Okay, on most Unix system there are several cells available. Okay, for the please try to join on time. Okay, otherwise it interrupt the class. Okay, please try to join on time, everyone. On most Unix system there are several cells available. Okay, for the average users they offer similar functionality. Okay, that means with the normal user or the user which is not an expert or dedicated to some specialized work, they will find all the cell exactly similar. Why? Because the same set of command that is working in the bash cell will work in the C cell or the corn cell. Okay, for us will find not such type of difference. Okay, but if you're a hacker or professional one, then we'll find difference, then we'll come to know that yes, these commands are working another what a cell, but this is not working here. Okay, so this is different. See, most cells falls within one of the two classes. Okay, what are they? See, these all are important. Please don't skip even one word from this line. You will find direct question in the examination. Okay, those descendant from Bone cell which first appeared in version 7 Unix. Okay, so most of the cells nowadays available based on the Born cell only. Okay, and those from the C cell, that means these two are the main division. Okay, the Born cell and the C cell, and rest of the others are nothing but some of the hierarchical or the inherited product from the C cell or the bash cell. Okay, just like your example, see we're now working in the bash cell. Okay, born again cell. Okay, so this bash cell is nothing but this is a part of a this cell. Okay, born cell. Okay, like actually these two are the mainstream. One is the what the Bond cell and one is the C cell, and rest of the other cell, Z cell, C cell, T cell, whatever you find, these all are the classification of this cell only. Okay, which made its debut in BSD. This is another thing. Nearly every Unix system has these two cell installed. Okay, but may also have several others: bash, K cell, T cell, and the Z cell. Okay, so this one. So when so whatever operating system you are using based on Unix or Linux, these two by default cell division is already installed. Okay, no need to go for extra installation. Sometime if this is not working, only you have to go for the updation. Okay, so here in the terminal we have some options for updating. Say something like this. Say apt get update. Okay, if we put update there, then the new added to the Unix or this Ubuntu will be credited to my account. Okay, this is so this is the by default things. Okay, so you can expect one question from there. Okay, what is the main two classes of cell? One is the born cell, which is known as what the assets, and one is the C cell, which is known as what the CSH. Okay, now you can say BASH. So this is a division from or the inherited product from born cell. That means whatever features we have in the born cell, there is some disadvantage, okay, or the drawbacks. After fulfilling these, what are drawbacks and overcoming these disadvantages, we have our BASH cell. Likewise, from the C cell, we find what the this one TC cell. Okay, so the working of this born cell is exactly same to that of your C cell. Only difference is that the features. Okay, it is something like that. Okay, two car. If you compare two car in the road, okay, the basic functionalities are exactly same. Okay, but how these two cars are different? Only the features. Okay, some cars will give you good mileage, some are not. Okay, some will give some the cruise control ABS and different features, and some will not give you these things. Okay, but the basic workings are exactly same in case of all the different type of cars. Okay, the same way the cells is also similar. Okay, now we'll go towards the division of the cell. Okay, the first one is what the born cell, which is known as what the assets. Okay, so born cell is developed at the this laboratory. AT&T laboratory is a all most of the what a computer invention done in this laboratory also. Okay, later on if you find time, then please go through this one, AT&T Bell Labs. Okay, your C programming and all are developed in this place only, developed at AT&T Bell Labs, okay, by Steve Bond. The Bond cell is cell is regarded as the first unique cell ever. Okay, so this one, so Bond cell is the first cell. That means at that time, if you want to send some command for execution in the hardware, okay, the only interface was there. This is nothing but what the Bond cell. Okay, it is denoted by SH. It gained popularity due to its compact nature and high speed of operation. Okay, so these all are the features. Okay, it is compact in nature and high speed of operation. Okay, this is what made it default cell for Solaris OS. Okay, the Solaris operating system use this cell. Okay, the BASH cell. However, the Bond cell has some major drawbacks. Okay, what are the different drawbacks? It does not have inbuilt functionality to handle logical and arithmetic operation. Okay, later on we'll see you have to use one special what a keyword called EXPR. Okay, EXPR expression to do some mathematical calculation. Okay. Okay, so by default this features is not available with the Bond cell. Okay, it is lacks comprehensive features to offer a proper interactive use. Okay, interactive be a nahi tha. Okay, next one is whether the complete path name of the Bond cell is this one, bean acids and S bean acids. These two is important. Okay, we'll find question like this. The complete path for Bond cell is dash and dash 2 marks. In the option you will find something like this, bin slash sh etc slash sh. In this way you will find the option, so you have to go for the correct one. Okay, by default it uses the prompt hash. Okay, for the root user होने से will find the hash prompt. Okay, and dollar for the non-root user. You see, in as we are not as a non-root user, that's why it is come as a the dollar. Okay, if we are put as a super user or a root user, then it get converted to the hash prompt. Okay. Okay, so these things you have to remember. In case of the bond cell or all the derivatives of bond cell always come with the by default dollar prompt. Okay, for the non-root user, if we log in as a super user, then it get converted to the hash. This is important. Okay, and after that we find the most popular, the ZNU born again cell. Okay, so ZNU is nothing but a license authority. Okay, if you develop some software and if it is free and if it not using the Unix operating system at all, then you will be you will be licensed as GNU or the ZNU. Okay, and the born again cell is nothing but a ZNU based package. Okay, more popularly known as what the bash cell. The GNU born again cell was designed to be compatible with the born cell. That means whatever drawbacks was there inside this born cell, isko modify karke we have find the born again cell. Okay, it incorporate useful features from different type of cells in Linux such as corn cell and the C cell. Okay, what is the advantage of this bash cell? See, by default it find all the advantages from the bond cell, and it inherits some of the important features from the corn cell as well as the C cell. Okay, that's why this is most popular. Okay, and the cell we are using here, this is nothing but what a bash cell. Okay, it allows us to automatically recall previously used command and edit them with the help of arrow keys. Okay, it's something like this. Suppose I am using what a pwd, enter. Okay, next time we no need to go for typing the pwd. Okay, only have to press the up arrow. If I press the up arrow there, then you will find pwd is displayed there. Okay, or you can say suppose the ls, one command, ls minus l, this command. Okay, now suppose I want to repeat the ls command. Okay, so no need to go for typing it again, only have to press what the arrow key, up arrow key, you will find all the command out there. See this. So this features is there in the bash cell, but this features was not there in the born cell. Okay, you will never find born cell again because this is the old version. Okay, we in our days sometime in the lab we have used this born cell. Okay, but this bash cell is most popular. Okay, the complete part of the GNU born cell is the same, being bash. Okay, by default it uses the prompt bash version number for the root user. Root के लिए क्या आएगा बोलो, here भी you will find what the root as what the hash prompt. Okay, but for the non root you will find the dollar. Okay, this one. So we have discussed about these two cell. One is the bash cell, one is for the born cell. Next we will find the C cell. The C cell was created at the University of California by Bill Joy. Okay, it is denoted as C cell. It was developed to include useful programming features like built-in support for arithmetic operation and a syntax similar to the C programming language. Okay, that means your include library is included in the C cell. Okay, so whatever I think you have used some of the function like print f, scan f. Later on you will learn more function like graphic dot h and something like this. So all these C programming features are already incorporated in the C cell. Okay, this one. Further, it incorporate command history, okay, which was missing in the different type of cell in Linux, like born cell. Another prominent features of C cell is the aliases. That means you can create the duplicate name for the commands. Okay, suppose you can tell one very big command is there. Okay, no need to type this command again and again. You can create some aliases. Suppose A stands for PWD. So instead of typing the present working directory or the PWD, directly you can put the A enter, then exactly it will work. Okay, it's the aliases. So this aliases is possible in case of the C cell only. Okay, and as you know, born again cell is inherited from all different cell. Okay, that's why all the features which is there in a C cell, okay, corn cell and the acid cell or a born cell is already there in the born again cell. Okay, the complete part for the C cell is what the bean C acids by default. Bean C acids by default. The user from, okay, host name dollar, sorry, hash for the root and percentage for the non-root user. ओके, नॉन रूट यूजर के लिए क्या आएगा बोलो, परसेंट, एंड फॉर द रूट यूजर दिस इज हैश. In case of the bash cell or the born cell, you will find what the hash for the root and dollar for the non-root. Okay, here instead of this dollar, you will find what the percentage symbol. Percentage symbol. Okay. Don't worry, I will share this notes with you. Okay, once I do the class, I will share this note with you. This is helpful for your examination. Okay, next cell we'll learn about the corn cell. Okay, the corn cell was developed at AT&T Bell Labs by David Korn. As I told you earlier, the most of the computing or the invention done in your corn cell, sorry, the Bell Labs. Okay, so this corn cell is also developed at the Bell Labs. Okay, to improve the born cell. Okay, to improve the born cell. Okay, so what are the different drawbacks was there? This is done in case of your the corn cell. Okay, it is denoted as KSH. Remember, okay, the corn cell is essentially a superset of born cell. Okay, that means all the features which is there in the born cell, this is there plus extra. Okay, besides supporting everything that would be supported by the born cell, it provides user with a new functionalities. ठीक है, born cell का सारा information तो रहेगा ही रहेगा plus the added functionalities. It allows inbuilt support for arithmetic operation. Okay, इसमें EXPR लगाना नहीं पड़ेगा. By default you can add number, divide number in case of the corn cell. Okay, all the mathematical facilities are by default available with the corn cell. Okay, yeah, it allows inbuilt support for arithmetic operation while offering interactive features which are similar to the C cell. Okay, the corn cell runs script made for born cell. That means whatever script you are written for born cell is exactly run in your corn cell, but the reverse is not true. Why? Because corn cell has the features of born cell as well as the extra, right? But born cell is limited. It does not have the what the features which is there in the corn cell, right? But born again cell or the bash cell is something different. Okay, bash cell has the features from K cell, T cell, and the main born cell. Okay, so this the bash cell is the most artificial or the most sophisticated one. Okay, while offering string, array, and function manipulation similar to the C programming language. See, it support all string operation. Okay, I think you will find this type of things. Okay, string cat, string length, these all are the string function, string compare. Okay, all these string operation is available in case of your corn cell. And the array. Okay, array is also supported in your born cell. Okay, have you find array? Array मिला तुम लोगों को? मिला
Yes,
है?
sir.
मिल गया ना? तो ठीक है, और स्ट्रिंग स्ट्रिंग का मिला, स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन है सब, स्ट्रिंग कैच स्ट्रिंग लेने सब मिल गया, मिला कि नहीं? स्ट्रिंग फंक्शंस इन द सी प्रोग्रामिंग, yeah. So all these strings and arrays and the functions manipulation are available in the Corn shell like the C programming. It also supports script which were written for C shell. Okay, further it is faster than most different type of shell in Linux include the C shell. Okay, from this note, please don't skip even one line also. Okay, one word also. Every line is important. पूरा रिफाइन करके बना के दिया हुआ, ठीक है? प्लीज डोंट स्किप एनीथिंग। द कंप्लीट पाथ नेम फॉर द कॉर्न सेल इज दिस वन। देखो जितना सेल होगा सब बिन के अंदर में रहेगा, ठीक है? एंड सबका अलग अलग होगा। के एस एच दैट मीन ऑल द कमांड विच इज गोइंग टू बी रन इन द टर्मिनल इफ यूर इज द कॉर्न सेल, दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर the slash bin slash cases. Okay, by default it uses the hash prompt for the root user and dollar prompt for the non user. That means corn shell is nothing but the inherited product from the born shell. Okay, इसके लिए क्या आएगा बोलो? दोनों में तुम्हारा डॉलर और हैश। Yeah. Next we'll learn about what the Z cell or the Z cell. The Z cell or the ZSH is a cell. SH cell, that means the born cell. Extension with tons of improvement for customization. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा सबसे एडवांस है। इफ यू वांट ए मॉडर्न सेल दैट हैज ऑल द फीचर्स a much more the Z cell was is what you are looking for. Okay, some noteworthy features of Z cell include generate file names based on the given condition. Okay, plugin and थीमिंग सपोर्ट, इसमें तुम लोग क्या थीम भी चेंज कर सकते हो। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट है इंडेक्स ऑफ बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस। तो क्या क्या फंक्शन चाहिए इसका हेल्प मैनुअल भी निकाल के काम कर सकते हो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट कमांड कंप्लीशन एंड मेनी मोड। सो दिस इज द मोस्ट एडवांस वन, द जेड सेल। Okay, now if we make one comparison study, you can find this list. Okay, suppose features, command history in bronze cell is not possible. That means एरो की प्रेस करने से हमारा born again में आ रहा है, ठीक है। बट इन केस ऑफ योर what the born cell, this is not there. C cell में अवेलेबल है, T cell में भी है, कॉर्न सेल में भी है और तुम्हारा बेस सेल में भी है। Okay, command aliases can be done in case of C, TC, corn and the bash, but not in born cell. Cell script सब सेल में कर सकते हैं हम। Okay, in any cell we can type the cell script. File name compilation can be done in case of the C, TC, corn and the bash. Okay, and command line editing is possible in case of the TC, corn and the bash. C और born cell दोनों में नहीं है, ठीक है। This table is also very much important. And job control is possible in case of your what the C cell, TC cell, corn cell and the bash cell. Okay, job control is not possible in case of your the born cell. So you can tell that born cell is nothing but a very basic one. Okay, this is the first cell which was developed in the Unix environment. Later on we have all the cells like C, corn, TC, bash, Z, okay, with the added features. Okay, so this is all about your cell. From next class onward we will be going with the cell programming or the cell scripting. Okay, anyone have any doubt, anything to ask? Okay, if you have doubt then please ask. No doubt? Anyone? Are you there? Are you listening to me?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt? Okay, if you have no doubt, then we'll stop here. Okay, or I will share this material with you once I cut the session. Okay, then from the next class onward, we will be doing with the cell programming. Okay, and this is your last module. Okay, once you complete the cell programming, we will be wind up with the classes. Okay, so is there a Rinki or Sankalpo today present? दोनों से एब्सेंट है क्या आज?
No, sir.
Oh, Buddha says are not there. Now, then who will take the responsibility for attendance? Some one of you will take the responsibility for the attendance.
স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট লৈ কিনে আপোনাক দি দিব পৰা যাব।
Teacher নহয় তোমাৰ roll number দি দিবা ঠিক আছে? Okay, who will give me the roll numbers of all the students who are present there?
Sir, me.
Okay.
Sir, I can give.
Okay, where you? Please, Duffy. Okay, who are you telling?
Sir, Vishal.
Vishal, okay. Vishal, please give me the roll number or enrollment number of all the students. Okay, only the last one, 01, 02. In this way, your roll number is there now. Only please give me these things. Okay. For your reference, please note down the names. Okay. Please update.
Okay, sir.
Give me the roll numbers in the official group there. Okay. From there, I will update the editor portal. Okay. As well as I will upload the link for this class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Bishan. So,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So, if anyone have no doubt, then I'm going to wind up the class. Is it okay? Can I wind up the class? If you have any doubt, anyone to ask? Anyone have any doubt to ask? Nothing? Can I stop here? Can I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I'm stopping the session.